Hey guys, this will be a very simple, easy look. I already kind of know what I have in mind. So to start off, I'm gonna go in with the Prep and Matte by Lancome. I do like this a lot. It keeps me very matte, especially in the T-zone area where I get mostly oily. You do not need a lot because it really comes out, y'all. So I'm gonna go with my e.l.f. small stipple brush, and I will go in with Lancome, which doesn't have much at this point. It's almost done. This is the 520 Suede Warm. I typically use that or my 510 Suede C. I will use the Morphe C365 and I will go in underneath the eye. I'll just apply a small layer because I do not want a lot of that today. I just want to be cute for my perfume collection video, honestly. But I thought, why not? I could always film this, you know. Sometimes you guys want to see how I got certain looks, so the camera's already there. I'm already here. So I'm just filming. Gonna go with my dampened sponge by Real Techniques and just buff everything in. Make sure it just melts in all the right places and nothing is like too harsh. Thank you to my newest subscribers who just joined the family. I appreciate you. Feel free to comment, join the conversation in the comment section below, and just let me know your thoughts, your opinions, everything. I want to get to know you guys like my BFFs, you know. For the most part, you guys give very constructive feedback and I really appreciate that. I'm gonna go in with the sculpting face brush and I'm gonna go in. This is very unique in the shape, how it's shaped, but it does hug very well like the contours of the cheeks. So I will take this powder brush and just use my all over face powder and just blend everything in with it. So it's nice and uniformed, you know, nice and seamless. We don't have any harsh lines sitting around on the face. Sculpting the nose. Take the brush again and go over that. So as you can see, this look is already mostly complete. I'm using the e.l.f. blush brush and I'm gonna go in with MAC Raizin. This I love so much, a staple in my collection. It's just, it goes almost with every single look that I can create with. This blush is very forgiving, very beautiful, and it applies so well. I just love it. Obviously, I have others that I love too, and you guys see me talk about them all the time, but this is a classic. Very brown girl friendly. And for my light skin girls, you can just go with a very light hand and it could still work very well for you. So I have a touch of color but not too much. Just really concentrating on the apples right here and dragging that out a little bit and going back in always with my all over brush and just minimizing all the harshness that might be present. And I'm gonna go in with the NYX Professional micro brow pencil. I've shown you guys this before as well, It is really good, especially for a day when you don't want too much of a like a highly sculpted brow, but you do want it to look like put together. This is a great option. I feel like for a very sculpted brow, the Anastasia is the way to go. But for a everyday put together brow, this little pencil is it. So and I think we're good now. I just go in with the brow densify to darken it just a little bit. And this is a little rough right now, but I will go on top of that with the brow gel by Anastasia and seal everything in. This is the brow gel by Anastasia. I spoke about this in my top 19 of 2019. I will link the video below. Alright, so this is one brow. I will be right back with the next brow. Alright guys, I'm back. So I finished the brows. I think I like how it turned out. I'm gonna go in with my usual. This is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Potion Primer. I'm gonna use two palettes by Anastasia, the Soft Glam, which is used and abused, and the Prism palette. I don't think this is I think this is discontinued, but this is still available for purchase. So for the Soft Glam, I'm gonna go in with Sienna. This will be my transition color. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush, and I'm going to go in the Prism palette. There's this green shade called Throne, and Throne has a nice shift with like silvery specks in there. I will swatch it for you guys. So Throne looks like this, like a bluish, greenish shift, like it's a duochrome kind of, you know. Don't know if you guys can see that. So hopefully you'll see it better on the lid. Your finger will go through the pan if you press too hard because the color is super finely milled. So I'm gonna take a brush, a more angled brush than the one I had earlier, and I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna use Pyramid and go in the middle of this color. I've wet the brush with some setting spray, and I'm gonna go in right here. Right here. I'm just patting it in because if I blend it in, it's gonna mix with the color, and I don't want the two to mix. I just want it to be like an accent. That's cute. I'm gonna go in the bottom lash line with some green so we can balance. I'll take a matte green so we can balance this. I'm gonna add some lashes, put on some lips, and then the look will be complete. So you guys know how much I love Ms. Lash, M-I-Z Lash, and this is the 3D Mink in the number 4. I've loved the number 2 for the longest while, and I figured let me try something slightly different. This one is a bit more fluttery, more layered. I really am excited to use this. So Ms. Lash in 3D Mink in the number 4. Alright, I'm gonna go in with the duo glue and try to be very light-handed. And we're just gonna place that on the lash line. Alright, I'm gonna go in with the Lancome primer, the Seal Booster. And then I will go in with the Physicians Formula mascara. This mascara makes my bottom lashes look so vibrant and so long, and it's not. So I love it a lot. Alright, I'm gonna go in Chestnut by MAC. Then I will go in with Wannabe. This is a cream lipstick by Lancome. It looks like this. This is pretty. It's a very beautiful color. We will apply our highlight because this would not be a look without some highlight. Gonna go in with the usual by Wet n Wild. I don't even need to say it because at this point you guys know it's literally like the only highlight I use. This is cute. Okay. Yes. Alright guys. This is the final look. I love it. I was not sure how it was gonna turn out, but it turned out pretty good. Don't forget to leave your thoughts below. Tell me how you like this look. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm about to go film my perfume favorites in a few minutes, but this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching as usual, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.